Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ritu Sharma from Government College Chachroli, Yamunanagar. Welcome to my English class. Today we will discuss novel and its different forms. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of novel. A novel is a long fictional narrative. The novel in the modern era usually makes use of a literary prose style. The novel first appeared in England around the turn, you can say, in the end of 17th century. 18th century novelist Henry Fielding is considered the father of the novel. Now, I would like to tell you about four wheels of the novel. You can say four important people of the novel who gave their contribution in the field of novel. They are Richardson, Smollett, Henry Fielding, and Sterne. Right from its taking shape in English in early 18th century England, the novel has seen a lot of experimentations. Some of them got acceptance and are today recognized as major types of novel. Here are some of the major types of the novel: historical novel, gothic novel, science fiction, picaresque novel, regional novel, psychological novel, epistolary novel, and novel of manners. Now we will discuss historical novel. Historical novel based on some historical event. That event is real, but the novelist uses imaginary characters and incidents in the novel. Sir Walter Scott is considered to be the father of historical novel. A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens is the best example of this kind of novel. Next is Gothic novel. Gothic novel was popular in the 18th and early 19th centuries. The word Gothic has taken from the German tribe Goth. It means belonging to the tribe of Goths. Now we will discuss some features of Gothic novel as terror, mystery, horror, supernatural, doom, death, thriller, etc. In such novels, we find all haunted buildings with ghosts, moonless night scenes, strange happenings, and howling sound. There is one example of Gothic novel, that is The Castle of Otranto by Horace Walpole. Next is science fiction. Science fiction is one of the most creative genres in literature. It is based on imagining of the scientific and technological advances of the future and major social or environmental changes as a result of it. There are four elements of science fiction. They are time travel, mind control, space travel, and fictional worlds. There is one example of science fiction is 1984, a novel by George Orwell. Next is picaresque novel. The word picaresque comes from the Spanish word picaro. It means a rogue. The novel described the adventures of a rogue. In this type of novel, the hero travels from one place to another. Society considers this man a criminal, but in the reality, he is a man who deals rich in order to help the poor. There is one example of picaresque novel, that is Gulliver's Travels by Swift. Next is regional novel. A regional novel is set against the background of a particular area. It presents a region as the setting of its story. It gives the reader special insights into the geographical and cultural details of a particular imaginative place. Thomas Hardy was the first exponent of this type. He created Wessex tradition in his novel. The novel Kanthapura by Raja Rao is the best example of this kind of novel. Next is psychological novel. This kind of novel is based on the psychology of human mind. It traces the human thought process and tries to write about what goes inside the mind of its characters. The novel tries to capture and present that inner reality. Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse is one of the best examples of psychological novel. This type of novel became extremely popular during the literary modern age. Next is epistolary novel. Epistle means a letter or written communication between two individuals. So, a novel based on letters is called an epistolary novel. This type of novel was made famous by Richardson's novel Pamela. It gained success only for a limited time in 18th century. Except letters, diary entries, newspaper clippings and other documents are sometimes used in it. Next is novel of manners. A novel of manners recreates the social life. Its primary focus is on relationship, customs, behavior, language, daily routine, life and its ritual. Kanthapura by Raja Rao is the best example of this type of novel. In this way, a novel of this type has a typical social attitude and thus some critics call it as social novel. I hope this video will help you to understand the meaning of novel and the different forms of novel. Thank you for watching video.